Okay, we got a new vacuum. It's the Dyson V11 Animal, and it is pretty awesome. It came in this box. The assembly was basically plug this in, and you're done. And you can start vacuuming. There's a mode on here. It says Auto, Eco, which will give you the best battery life, or Boost. Boost will give it the most power and least battery life. But we use this on auto to clean 2 rugs, and already look at how much shit we got up out of the rugs. This one self-adjusts, so if we're doing carpeting, this spins and sucks with a little more gusto than if we're doing bare floors. You can hear the motor isn't working as hard and the rotor is spinning slower. That is pretty cool. Now, one thing this comes with is a bunch of attachments. A crevice tool, an upholstery tool, a little bit bristly hard brush, and another thing that's supposed to be for cleaning spider webs up on the ceiling. They give you one little thing that snaps onto here that can hold one of these tools. Maybe we'd be using the upholstery tool quite a bit. Hey, that doesn't fit. That actually won't hold that very well, but it will hold it this direction, and it will hold this one like that. So I guess you can hold 2 tools and have most of what you need ready to go. Now, it comes with a wall mounting docking station and a charger. It takes 4.5 hours to charge. Okay, so I have mounted the wall unit there. There's a little plug here, and when I drop this in, it starts charging. And this wire I have running outside the closet. Where did that outlet? This is our old vacuum. This is a Electrolux, which didn't get up any of this stuff and was very inconvenient because you're dragging this whole thing behind you. You got a cord you got to plug in when you go room to room, and you got bags to change. And overall, I think this is going to be quite great. My brother has the Dyson V8 and loves it, and he's the one who convinced me to get this. This one's $600. Okay, so here we go. Do some cleaning. Oh, it fits right under there. How low can I go? Wow, look at that. So when I had this on plus, it was very hard to vacuum this rug. When I put it on the neutral, much easier. But it still seems to pick up pretty well.
Right.
So we purchased the V11 Animal because of this animal, who leaves lots of hair all over the place. It's not getting some of these things.
Yeah, because they're trapped in there.
Yeah, they're really stuck in there.
Pine needles.
Pine needles stuck in the carpet. Let me see if I can get them with this thing. They're like, the pine needles are just embedded in the carpet. They're not coming out. Doing the stairs is always fun. Okay, I'm going to try a little attachment. Oh, this doesn't swivel. So I don't think this is as good for doing the stairs.
there for the upholstery, like,
Seems good.
all right.
Now this attachment is supposed to be for cleaning spider webs and stuff up in the ceiling. But we really don't have any.
And their 2-year warranty, and it has support and free shipping there and back and 5-star service.
I'm gonna empty this. I'm not really sure how you go about emptying it, but I think you do this. Thought that was supposed to open.
It does open.
There we go. Look at that. How many minutes did I clean?
Not very much.
Just a few minutes of cleaning, and look
But
at all this.
it's all dog hair.
It's all, well, no, it's a lot of
V
dust.
Animal.
It's a lot of dust.
It's V
A lot
Animal.
of dust and a lot of dog hair.
And the V Animal just left.
So that's all there is to it. To open it up, you do that. Close it, you do that. Put
And
this
then
back
you
together.
attach it.
It's awesome.